Want to learn how to make moist and fluffy vanilla cupcakes from scratch? It's a lot easier than you think. Flavor FunFun, common ingredients, easy to make, and kids will love it. Step 1. You need room temperature eggs for this recipe, so if your eggs are so cold, put them in a bowl and cover them with warm water to bring them to room temperature. Room temperature eggs mix better, provide better texture, and help the cupcakes rise. Let's set these aside for a few minutes. Step 2. Place cupcake liners in the cupcake pan and set it aside for now. Step 3. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Step 4. Put the butter, sugar, and vanilla into a mixing bowl. Using a hand mixer, beat on medium-high speed for about 3 minutes or until the mixture is fluffy. Step 5. Using a spatula, scrape the butter off the sides and bottom of the bowl. Then add the sour cream and 2 eggs to the butter mixture. Using a hand mixer set on low speed, beat for 30 seconds. Add the last 2 eggs and beat on low speed for another 30 seconds. Scrape the sides and bottom of the bowl again. Then set this mixture aside for now. Step 6. Add the flour, baking powder, and salt to a large mixing bowl and whisk them together. Combining all dry ingredients together before you add them to the wet ingredients ensures an even distribution of each ingredient. Step 7. Add 1 cup of flour to the butter mixture, then beat on low speed until the flour has mixed in well. Add half of the milk and beat on low speed. Add 1 more cup of flour and beat on low speed. Add the rest of the milk and beat on low speed. Add the last cup of flour and beat on low speed until the batter is smooth and lump-free. Step 8. Use an ice cream scoop to fill the cupcake liners with batter. Step 9. Bake for 18 to 20 minutes. You'll know they're done if you stick a toothpick in the middle and it comes out dry. Step 10. When the cupcakes are fully baked, take them out of the pan and put them onto a wire cooling rack. Do this right away so they don't keep baking in the hot pan. If you tilt the pan at an angle, they're easier to grab. Let the cupcakes totally cool off. It'll take about 20 to 30 minutes. After they're cool, you can put your favorite frosting on them. Speaking of frosting, you ought to check out my vanilla and chocolate buttercream frosting recipes. Remember, I want you to be proud to serve these, so if you need help, let me know by leaving a comment. For the full recipe, visit flavorfunfun.com. And for more awesome and easy recipes, click subscribe.